Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to Makeup related. If that is your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video is my Ipsy for the original for the month of August. So if you'd like to see what we got in my variation of the bag, let's get into her. Coffee of the day is a blender for their fall flavor. I got maple caramel, which I don't like. Wouldn't order it again. So there's that. But always check and make sure you got everything out of your bubble mailer, because I did have something come out of the bag, which we will go over first. But first, this is what our bag looks like for August. It is a bandana theme, and it's like a canvas material. And then we got the little, Ian told me what this was, and now I don't remember, but the little like teardrop guy, these guys. So it's cute. I'm not gonna keep it, but it's cute. The original is $16 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. You get 5 sample size beauty products guaranteed. You do usually get at least 1 full size, but it's not guaranteed to get full size items. And you get to make 1 choice on the 20-somethingth of the month, because it changes every month. And then your bag should be up to $70+ in value. We do always get a card. We'll go over the card first, and then we'll go over what was outside of the bag. So this month theme is the soft reset. Restore, relax, repeat. This month is all about nourishing formulas, soft textures, and small moments that turn your routine into a ritual. Fun times. We've got all our products listed on the inside, the QR code that'll take you straight to the app or like the web page if you don't have the app. But the most interesting part is our sneak peeks. So it is telling us about the Origins edit, which is this month's edit for, it's in the shop. So you get 5 Origins products for $59.99 plus a bag. But our sneak peeks for next month are the Amika Soul Food Whoa, that was crazy. Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. I've heard good things about Amika products, but I'm not saying I couldn't use a hair mask. I do have hair, but I just feel like it would be wasted on what little hair I do have. We have the e.l.f. Skin Thirst Burst Plump Tide Lip Treatment. I've heard really good things about this, so I'd actually, and you know I'm down for like a nice lip balm currently, so I'd be down for that. And then we have the SL Miss Glam Butterfly Precise Face Brush. SL Miss Glam brushes are nice, but I'm good. I'm good on the brushes I have right now, so I'd be down for the lip treatment. So we're gonna start with what was outside of our bag, and that was from Kenzie, and this is their Vanilla Blossom EDP. It's 10 ml. Let me find it on my thing here. So the full size is 100 mils for $55, so this would retail for $5.50. So pretty cheap, not too expensive. So this is what the actual component looks like. So it looks like we got little vanilla beans and flowers on it. This scent is not listed on Kenzie's website, so, but all of their EDPs that are 100 mils for $55. Ooh. Let's spray the box. This says it opens with a splash of juicy mandarin and soft pink pepper, vanilla orchid, and jasmine petals. There it is. Bloom at the heart. It's blended with a touch of coconut water for airy sweetness. It's got creamy vanilla, cashmere musk, and warm tonka lingering on the skin. I don't like jasmine in fragrance, and every expensive fragrance has jasmine in it, and I just don't understand why. So I'm getting the vanilla. I think what I was smelling in the cap was the pink pepper. I'm getting the mandarin and the vanilla, but I'm really getting hit. And then I get the coconut water. As it dries, I'm getting more of the cashmere and the tonka. The vanilla comes out more as it's drying down. Obviously, it's going to be different on the skin. I'm gonna use it. It's not gross. But would I go out and purchase this scent? You got me all the way effed up. This is not for me, but I will use this very quickly and effortlessly. For $5.50, it's not that big of a deal. I'll use it, but I don't know if I'll enjoy it. Yeah, I get the jasmine, but I'll use it. And I won't be too perturbed about it. It is what it is. So now we're going to get into what's actually in our bag. And I'm just going to start pulling. This was my choice item. So I didn't take a photo of what my choices were for this. I did take photos for my Ipsy Extra. So you'll have photos for that. But I totally spaced on taking a screenshot of what my choices were. And I absolutely don't remember. So sorry. But I chose the Bisha Essential City palette. This is in shade 1. Does this have a, like, shade? Oh, it just tells me. It's just edit 1. So this retails this size, mind you. Oh, the box came out. Okay. Let's put all our garbage over there. This guy is tiny. It is the size of my palm for $48. That's what is crazy to me. This looks more like an eyeshadow trio than a blush and highlight. Like, because when I tell you, let me lay that down. Like, this is the smallest blush brush. I mean, that could probably get in there, honestly. Okay, so maybe it's not that big of a deal. But this was inspired by iconic cities. It actually says on the side. So the highlight is 305 Miami. The pinkier blush, this one is 310 West LA, and this is 312 Chicago. I live in Illinois, so that makes me happy. But it's inspired by iconic cities and effortless beauty. It brings together a curated trio of complexion-enhancing shades desired to sculpt, flush, and illuminate. Finely milled formula blends seamlessly into skin, delivering buildable color and a natural skin-like finish. So let's swatch these because I do want to try it. It does feel creamy and silky. Ooh. Well, she packs a little bit of a punch. Packs more of a punch than my Hourglass blushes, I'll tell you that much. Get out a makeup wipe. Was not prepared to do swatches. So let me get these off the thingies. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think it's just crazy that it's just plastic packaging and it just, for $48 is wild. Next, we have this big guy. This is from Earth Harbor, and this is their Glow Juice 10 Acid Refining Peel. You know what I found really funny? I got this peel in here, and I got a peel in my Ipsy Extra. Why are we doubling me up on the peel? What are you trying to say to me? But this has fruit AHAs and BHAs and purple seaweed. So the full size is 60 mils for $40. This is 15 mil. So this is $10.05 for this guy. It's a gentle peel that exfoliates and renews in minutes, revealing smoother, more radiant skin. It's like a purpley periwinkle blue. Without the downtime of traditional peels, it's suitable for all skin types. It helps refine texture, minimize the look of pores, and brighten while keeping the skin feeling calm. It sounds great. Tip, let the Glow Juice work its magic as long as you like. You can wear it overnight or while you run errands. It's clear and discreet. So it cools and clarifies. How to use. So you can use it 2 to 5 times weekly. Apply to clean skin, wait 3+ minutes, and rinse off. Or use it as a leave-on spot treatment. Okay. So it seems like it is gentle if you're able to leave it on as like an over there was no seal in here. Okay. You can leave it on as like an overnight mask. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like a fruit bowl. I just want to see the texture. Oh, it's like a gel. It's straight up like a gel. Okay. Well, this one's going to be way different than the peel, because the peel I got in my Ipsy Extra, I know is like a, you leave it on for like 8 minutes or something, and then you have to go wash it off. So this is much more gentle. I think I'll probably use this one first, just to get my skin acclimated to something like this. This will be nice. I'm actually more excited for this than I originally thought I was going to, because the thought of a peel is scary to me, but like knowing that this is something that is so gentle, like you can leave it on overnight and all of that as like a glow booster and whatnot, so like it just has AHAs and BHA properties and stuff like that, that makes me feel a little better. So let's get into, we'll leave the box for last. We have another skincare item, and this is, I know this was one of the choices, but I thought it was going to actually be smaller. Usually when we get Tatcha, it's like the size of my pinky, and this is actually 20 mils. So the full size of this matcha foam cleanser is 150 mils for $40. This is 20 mils, so this would be $7.20. So this is a fragrance-free, soap-free gel cleanser that decongests pores and balances oil without stripping to reduce makeup slip-off for primed, shine-free skin. I don't normally love a like foaming cleanser. It is sealed and I can't smell anything, but it says it's fragrance-free, but that just means it's non-fragranced. But it's only good for 6 months, but I currently just opened a brand new cleanser, so I will try this. It's just going to be a hot minute. It might not even be this year because I just opened. Like, unless I put this in my bathroom to use in conjunction on nights that I just feel extra congested, I might do that. But I'm not mad at it. I got more makeup, two skincare, and fragrance. I'm not mad. Last but not least, we got a full-size product, and this is from Lava, which I have one of their highlighters, and I love it. This is the Lip Drip Oil in the shade Bubblegum, which is a soft pink tint. And this is full size. This is 8 mils and retails for $26. These are in the Ipsy shop right now, though, for like $3.50. So take that with what you will. Just says it's a hydrating lip oil. It's a non-greasy formula to hydrate lips with its balm feel texture. It's a rich oil that provides a high gloss without the sticky feel, leaving behind a sheer tint for a healthy feel and glow. Does it smell like bubble gum? Oh my god. It smells like Hubba Bubba Max. Oh, that smells so good. So let's swatch it over here. So yeah, it's pretty much clear. I'm sure if you built it up, you might be able to get a soft pink tint, but it's gonna basically be clear. I'm not mad. Like I said, I'm on the market for more like lip oil, lip balm, lip hydrating products. So I'm not mad at it. It did not feel sticky. So I'll be excited to actually try this on the lips. And if I don't love it for like actual at my desk lip care, I'm almost in the market for a new lip oil for my skincare, which I usually don't keep in my inventory. So if this is clear and I like it well enough, I might just put it over there with my skincare, because I need a new lip balm over there. I've already taken out the stopper of my lip balm and everything. So that is everything. So the total value of our bag is $96.75, because, you know, we had the high ticket item here. But I'm not too perturbed with what came in my bag. I just think it's a little curious on why I'm getting 2 peels in the same month, because you can't use them at the same time. But I digress. It is what it is. I'm very interested to see how I feel about this fragrance once I'm done with it. But I can guarantee you it wouldn't be one, like right off the bat I can tell you, because of the jasmine in it, I wouldn't repurchase it. But I will get it used, so. But I find it interesting that I have like very similar bags, because I also have a fragrance coming in my extra bag. So that is, it's just interesting, very interesting. But that is going to do it for today's video. Nothing too crazy there. Let me know, were we bag twins? Did we get the same things? Did we choose the same choice item? Did you choose the Bisha trio? Were you as intrigued as I was that it is also so small? So small and so plastic. But otherwise, let me know what you got in your bag. I'd love to know. And what do you think about this one's bag? I think it's cute. It makes me think of August. Like, it's giving summer. I like the material. I do think it's cute. I don't need it. I'm not going to keep it. So, that's all. That is going to do it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.